Greetings and thanks for viewing my video on the University of Memphis Edwards Research and Innovation Center. I am using it as a subject for my campus audit, and this is my snapshot. My name is Tony Pinson, by the way. And here you see that the Eric building has three different floors on it. This image is a layout of the third floor on the building. And this is where the office and lab space for university department research groups are located. And as a matter of fact, I think the Center for Information Assurance has a space there, lab and office space there as well, which is where I work. The second floor is the general use floor. I would think this is where most of the student activities take place. This is the general layout, and as you can see, this is the big gathering space where a lot of students get together and meet with their friends, have lunch, have a cup of coffee, perhaps study, and or just hang around and chit chat with friends. On the first floor of the facility, that's where most of the lab space is located. There are big doors there where equipment and things of that nature can be brought into the facility. The picture on the right shows a facility of students um, going through some of the lab space there, and they're being, I guess, informed about all of the facilities and the capabilities. I believe this is um, the was it 3D manufacturing lab facility, if my memory serves me correctly. And this is the basic entrance way to the building. Once you come in from the second floor of the engineering building, you'll pass by this way, and if you look behind you as you pass this walkway, you'll see the mechanical or digital or cybernetic tiger there on the wall. And you'll also walk by this the artivisual displays there where they often show images of the professors and or the faculty members and what groups they're with or what department they're with. And they also make announcements and things of that nature there, or show what's going on during the course of the um, week or whatsoever. You see also on the second floor that there are private study areas where students can, hook up and, their laptops and so forth and so on to the big screen and see what's going on and study various things or just do research if they like. But it gives them a private area where they can meet with someone if they choose or whether they can study by themselves. Here you also see that they have some active classrooms on the second floor of the facility, and also there's some lounge areas as well that can be used for, just getting together, having coffee, having lunch, just chit chatting with friends, maybe using a whiteboard or something like that for a group project that you may be working on. And, finally, you see that this is also a gathering place for um, the facility can also be a gathering place for student design expos, which is what's going on right here. I mean, down the hallway, students will have all manner of design projects going on that they're sharing with the visitors, and they're being evaluated on. And here, this is I think this is the lab for I think it's the Society of Automotive Engineers. I think, sponsored this lab, and they use this for um, some sort of Baja, you know, design competition, things of that nature. But that's it in a nutshell for me. So thank you so very much for viewing my campus audit snapshot. There's a whole bunch more to the facility, but we only have a certain amount of time available to us. So take care and have a great day.